Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today.
Hey everybody, checking in on natural gas. So the start of the day looked very much like the exact same pattern that I pointed out in yesterday's video. Decreasing bear volume, bulls showing up, obviously the inventory report adding some fuel to the fire. Normal healthy consolidation, decreasing volume again, bulls showing up in a big way. No surprise that we rejected here, and why can I say that? All you have to do is look at the weekly chart. Look at that key resistance. That's what we rejected from last week. That's what we're rejecting from this week currently, 331, a very key resistance level. So now on the daily chart, this big upper wick shows profit taking, and it does favor the bears in the short term. So we will look to pull back and potentially retest some of these support levels. I'm looking at the low of yesterday, 321.1, and resistance is that 331 level very, very clearly that the bulls have to close above on the weekly to see further movement to the upside from here. So we have a tightening range forming on the daily. Now we have a lower high, still have our higher low pattern. And the inventory report Thursday is going to be very significant as to whether we head back down towards $3 or continue the breakout and close above 331. So it's all about that 200-week moving average where we are currently stalling out. So here on the hourly chart, it was a very clear break from this consolidation pattern, and we saw a big move to the upside, 5 green hours in a row by the time the bell rang today. So you certainly do not want to be entering a bullish position right at very key weekly 331 resistance after a 5-hour bull move after a big bearish reversal gravestone doji candlestick forms. So if anything, the trade today was looking for some day trades in NATGAS because you're trading against the overall trend, but you know you're rejecting from the weekly resistance, and you know that the bulls have tired themselves out getting up to that resistance level, and we had some nice pullback from there. So now we're seeing the bulls battle to hold key support down at 325, 3255, 3254, bouncing off that level. If we break it, we're looking down at 3231 and then down to 3212. So the bears are in short-term control again after the weekly resistance rejection, and unless the bulls get some momentum tomorrow, it's going to be up to the inventory report to get above 331 and try and close above that level on the weekly. Let's look at a different perspective on the 4-hour time frame. Looking for a bullish MACD cross, but that rejection from the weekly resistance, preventing that from following through, and looking to trade in a fairly tight range tomorrow as we wait for that inventory report. And we'll see if we get any clues tomorrow as to which direction to be looking in. But we have a tight range with a very clear higher low on the 4-hour and lower highs. So a break of 3212 is a clear bear break, and a break of 3317 is a clear bull break. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. I don't expect a lot of volatility, but we'll check back in after the bell and see how it played out. Thanks for watching. See you then.